Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is Coins Kid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin. Once again, thank you for support, okay? Big Coins Kid group. So right now, Bitcoin is retracing to this low just there, okay? So it's really important we hold these key levels of support, because if we don't, then you're going to create an impulsive move to the downside, okay? And then you're no longer retracing, you're creating something called a reversal wave. And that would be my minimal target down there, the 1618 at 18549 for Bitcoin. And it would indicate that this here is some kind of running flat correction, expanded flat correction. This is an A leg, there's a B leg, and you're looking at this C leg drop like that, okay? So it's really important that Bitcoin holds this one fib at 19753, because if you don't, you're going to start to create a reversal wave to the downside like that, okay? Now obviously there's a chance here that this is some kind of impulsive move, corrective move, ABC just there, and we're looking at an impulsive move continuation here for Bitcoin. So it's really important we see Bitcoin hold this low today, because this in itself could be impulsive and corrective. Like I said to you, impulsive moves, they have ABC corrections, and this is an example of a perfect ABC correction. From there is your A leg, that's a B leg, and this is a C leg drop, okay? So we do look as though we're creating some kind of beautiful double bottom pattern here for Bitcoin. I would definitely like to see it break this resistance, because if it does, on the hourly time frame, starts to get back above these EMAs and takes out that resistance, I think you're going to put an impulsive move here and a retracement to this high. So I'm going to show you all your targets going forward. So again, if you do start to see Bitcoin lose this, you know, and you retrace deeper here and you start to lose that support just there, you will be putting an impulsive move down to the downside, okay? And your 1618 around about $18,000 will be met at bare minimal. And you could say, okay, well, this is a wave one, this is an expanded back flat wave correction of wave two basically, and you would move this somewhere like that. Do you see that? So there is a possibility here that this is impulsive and this is corrective, and right now we're looking at impulsive break for Bitcoin. So it's really important we hold these lows that we put in to confirm that this is an ABC, and like I said to you, this is a perfect example of an ABC correction using Fibonacci. So basically what you've done, you've come down in an A leg, come up in a B leg, and then you've had your C leg drop. It's called an ABC zigzag correction. And look at that, 1618, 1618, 3 touches of it. So that's a perfect ABC correction if ever I've seen one. So obviously we need to confirm this perfect ABC correction of 1618 Fibonacci target being met by holding this support right now. Okay, so this is key support down here for Bitcoin. I'm going to give you this. So right now, if Bitcoin holds this key support at 20496, there's a massive chance here you're going to break out and retrace to this high, and this is going to be your targets after this ABC correction is complete. From there to there, I think you're looking at a minimal here, minimal for Bitcoin of around about, let's drop that on right there, minimal 1618 of 22760, and this still could be part of this large third wave which is formed from this wave 2 low just there for Bitcoin. So like I said to you, it's all a game of support and resistance, isn't it? So potentially, you know, what we've done here is come up in a 1, we've had this wave 2, and this is part of the wave 3, inside of which you potentially got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 and a 5, and this is a larger third wave, like I said to you, that started here, okay, for Bitcoin. So obviously there's zero guarantees, you know, because you could still be in a wave 2 here, this is an A, this is a B, and then you're looking at a C leg, an expanded flat correction right there, and I'll give you a target down there if you start to see Bitcoin lose that. So what am I doing? Basically I've gone long, okay, because we had too many touches off this 1618, like I said to you, target met. I've gone long off the 1618, and I've got a really tight stop loss down there, but right now I'm doing okay, because if we do start to come up off that 1618 target, where I just, you know, it was beautifully hitting it so many times, you're going to come up and you've got a lovely minimal 11% pump in front of you for Bitcoin. So this could be quite explosive. Like I said to you, the wave 3, which is what we're anticipating, is usually the most impulsive, okay? And I do think if Bitcoin starts to do that, it starts to come back up and get back above that 24332, you know, by the end of the month especially, will be amazing here for Bitcoin. So all eyes on Bitcoin over the next few days. I said to you this week, there's some kind of upside or downside this week, something will give this week, and I do think we're on the cusp of it, okay? And obviously no guarantees. If we do start to roll now, I'll get stopped out, you know, and especially if we come down here, I do think you've got this larger correction and potential wave 2 correction down to there, from which the wave 3 will start to come up into the month there. So again, no guarantees, okay? So this is a key level resistance. If you're not necessarily in a trade at the moment, what you're looking for is this, okay? Because what you're doing here is retracing to this high. You see this? So you've come down in a correction back down to this low, like I said to you, so you come up impulsively, correctively to this low, and right now you're looking to hold the 1618 Fibonacci ABC correction like I've shown you, and you're looking to come up the stairs, okay? So if Bitcoin starts to lose 20500 basically, I think you're obviously negating this ABC correction, beautiful 1618 being in, and through that you could say, okay, we are looking to come down and retest and retrace lower. And like I said to you, if you do start to lose that 19762, then you're putting an impulsive move to the downside, and this correction, this wave 2 here, is not necessarily in, okay, and it's still part of all of this. Do you see that? So that's basically Bitcoin, you know. And the most important thing we have to do here for Bitcoin going forward, whatever happens, we have to hold this low, okay, to guarantee that that is obviously the low right now for Bitcoin. There are a lot of people playing catch up to that potentially being the low right now. Does it mean it 100% is? Of course not, you know, but we'll ride all this journey together. But what I'm looking for right now, I'm personally in the long off that support, you know, and obviously if it starts to come down and get stopped out, it is what it is, it's trading 101. But if Bitcoin right now breaks out when people least expect it, and you have got some kind of beautiful W bottom pattern here that you're forming on the hourly time frame, if we start to break that resistance and get back above this 55 and 20 EMA right there for Bitcoin, this is going to start to be quite impulsive,